No more human rights claims. Tories target refugees and asylum seekers in law overhaul. In a controversial stride, the UK Conservative Party proposes to amend the Border Security, Asylum and Immigration Bill, aiming to exclude the Human Rights Act from immigration decisions. This move could reshape the landscape of UK immigration and asylum seeker policies, sparking heated debates on human rights and national sovereignty. The amendment, spearheaded by Kemi Badenoch, argues that the current interpretation of international laws significantly hampers the UK's immigration management capabilities. By disconnecting the Human Rights Act from immigration issues, the government hopes to streamline deportations of illegal migrants without legal setbacks. Although this decision would keep the UK within the European Convention on Human Rights, Badenoch warns that continued constraints might eventually force the UK to reconsider its ECHR membership. Critics argue that this could lead to a drastic reduction in the protections available to refugees and asylum seekers, branding it a direct challenge to the principles of human rights. The proposed changes emphasise shifting decision-making power from judicial to parliamentary hands, asserting that it is crucial for national security and aligns with the government's duty to protect its borders and citizens. As the UK treads a fine line between enforcing stringent immigration controls and upholding human rights standards, this amendment could have profound implications for the country's international standing and its internal policy dynamics. With human rights at the centre of this legislative change, it is essential for the public and policymakers to critically assess the balance between national security and moral obligations. Signing off now. Don't leave just yet. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more engaging content. See you in the next video.